Hello everyone. This video is for those who want to use Kali Linux for hacking or cybersecurity, but don't have the virtualization knowledge. You don't want to create a virtual machine. You don't have any hi-fi systems, or you don't know how to install Kali without any extra knowledge. Still, with this video help directly within a few minutes, you are able to use Kali Linux. So just stay with this video and I will show you one very simple trick which is allow you to use Kali Linux in your regular computer. You can say your Windows or whatever. You can say here, right now this is my Windows computer and inside this I am going to use Kali Linux without any separate hi-fi configuration, no any extra virtual machine, nothing. What you need to do, just press Windows R in your keyboard and then this kind of run dialog box will find. You can press CMD, that will open command. And here you need to type one very simple command, that is WSL double hyphen install double hyphen distribution and the Kali Linux name with the hyphen. Press enter. In background, it will start Kali. That will take few time according your internet speed. So that part we can skip. So you can see guys here, installation is already done. You not require any other steps how to install Kali Linux. Even you are totally new using for the first time, then also this one command is enough. And you can see it will telling that it will take me some time. So that process already done. And now it is asking what? Some username and password. So let's say here I'm configuring username like ng001, normal my code word Nipan Goel 001. And then it is asking for password. Right now, just for practice, I'm typing here 123. Again, retype the password 123. Installation successful. And can you see, guys? Message from the Kali developer. This is the minimal install Kali Linux. You will likely want to install supplementary tools. So obviously, whatever tools you want to use, later you can install. What I told you for the beginner, without any extra hardware requirement, no any hi-fi computer, you can start using Kali. If you want to verify, then what? You can run this command like lsb underscore release and then -a. This will give you the detail about install OS. So what you find here, Kali Linux version, you can see 24.2. And if I take you the official website, kali.org, and let's say if you go to the download section, and if I go to the installer, this is the latest version, guys. I'm not telling that you are using some old version. Right now, with this simple command, what we run here, within few minutes, we are using latest Kali. And still, if you want to double verify, you can try to run some command. Like we have ls command, which will show the list. Okay, or I can try to run this kind of some Kali Linux command. I want to, let's use nmap. Okay, so you can see this cannot found. Whatever tools you want to use, that you can just type the name. Before that, what? Install with the apt. And if you are a normal user, then you require super user permission like sudo. So entire command is like sudo apt install and whatever tools you want to use. Obviously, it is a minimal version. Inside the Windows, you are able to use Kali. So here, all tools are not inbuilt, and that is actually can count as a benefit that it will not take extra load in your computer. So whatever tools you want to use, run this command with this specific. Let's say I'm showing this one as example, paste and enter. Yes. So it will take a few seconds for download and install because this is one tools. Now again type the nmap. You will see the help command, everything. That is giving idea that yes, nmap actually install. And then what? Let's say I'm just doing the simple benefit of this command, like I'm scanning this. Just want to show you that command is working, nmap tools is working. That is giving the idea that yes, you are actually able to use Kali Linux inside the Windows command. And you can see it is saying starting nmap scanning done, and it is telling this kind of port is open. So again, for more detailed videos, for Kali tools and everything, you can comment below. I will create that video. This video especially for how to use Kali Linux with Windows without any extra efforts, without any extra load in your computer. This is Nitin Goyal signing off.